Hi, I'm Leo from Colab Cambodia, and I'm here to show you today about some basic components of electrical circuits, their purpose, what the differences are between the different types, how they operate, and how we draw them in a circuit diagram. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about batteries, resistors, switches, and LEDs, some of the most common components that we use when constructing simple electrical circuits. Let's start with batteries. So here are a few different kinds of batteries that you may be familiar with. This one is a standard 1.5 volt AAA battery. These might be used in a TV remote control or something similar to that. Here's a standard 9 volt. These might be used in a transmitter for a remote control toy. And here is a LiPo, lithium polymer battery. This kind of battery might be used for high power applications like a remote control toy that needs to fly or to travel fast on land or water. So why do we have different types of batteries? What's the point? Well, different circuits need different levels of voltage. For a circuit that powers a remote control, a very simple one like a TV remote control, we might only need 1.5 or 3 volts. So we put 2 of these in. We store lots of energy, but have a lower voltage. Some circuits, like transmitting circuits, require a higher voltage. This is a convenient form factor for an easy to carry, but higher voltage circuit, 9 volts. Some circuits are going to be powering large motors. For that, you need to draw a lot of current. And for that purpose, we have larger batteries like this. This particular battery can handle several amps of current, and it's not going to get hot at that level, whereas these two batteries would easily be dead by then. So what's the point of a battery in a circuit? Well, a battery is there to provide power to the circuit. It maintains a fixed voltage, whether that be 1.5 or 9, or for this one 7.4, and it pushes actually current through the circuit, depending upon how much the individual components draw. If we want to draw a circuit diagram that involves a battery, there's a special symbol to use, and the symbol looks like this. Here's the wire entering the battery. This is the cathode, the negative terminal of the battery. So this wire is typically black. This side is the positive side, the anode. And this wire coming out is typically red. You can remember this by remembering that the longer line represents a greater height, a greater electrical height, which is a synonym for voltage. The shorter line represents a smaller one. You can add any number of these together in series, so you could have a battery made up of multiple single bits. Each of these single symbols is called a cell. And when you put more than one cell together, you get a battery. For example, inside this one, we have 2 cells. Each cell there is running on 3.7-ish volts. Stack them together and you get 7.4-ish volts.